Morning guys, welcome back. We got a busy morning this morning. We're feeding calves. Dad's doing that. He's got to start on that right now. And then we got to get our cows in because they're out of hay. And then so we got to move them down the creek. But we got to get them in too because we got a couple bulling cows. And then a yearling of the neighbors that we got to get out. So yeah, we'll be sorting cows and feeding calves. So come along with us. Well, Dad's gonna go finish feeding stuff, and I'm gonna start the waters. Then we're gonna go get ready to get our cows in, sort off some bulling cows, and then that one yearling. I think that's gonna do it for chores this morning. So I think Dad's gonna get the paddle forks on the Bobcat, and then he's gonna grab a hay bale. Then he's gonna go ahead and head out across the creek, kind of get the cows gathered up, and then more than likely they'll just probably follow him in with that bale on the front of the Bobcat, so it shouldn't be too hard. So we got them. It was just ended up being 2 cows of ours, one that was bulling and one that's got a limp, and then that neighbor's calf that got in with ours. So got them all sorted out, got the cows kicked back out to pasture and rolled up a little bit of electric fence, and now we're done. So I think that's just about gonna do it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, we appreciate it, and we hope to see you next time.